In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack. This simple guide will help you seamlessly integrate Zoom into your Slack workspace, making it incredibly easy to initiate video calls directly from your messaging platform. We'll walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you're set up and ready to connect with your team with just a few clicks. Let's begin by opening Slack on your device. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web browser version, the process remains the same. Once open, you'll notice a login screen prompting you to sign in. You can enter your email, or if it's more convenient, you have the option to log in using your Apple or Google account. This flexibility makes accessing your workspace hassle-free, especially if you already use these services for other apps. Once logged in, you'll need to select your preferred workspace. Most users are involved in multiple workspaces on Slack, so make sure you choose the one where you intend to use Zoom. This is important as the integration will only apply to the specific workspace you choose. Now, let's move on to integrating Zoom with your Slack workspace. Head over to the Slack Marketplace. This is where you can find a variety of apps that can be integrated with Slack. Search for Zoom in the Marketplace search bar. It's a widely used app, so it should appear near the top of your results. When you find Zoom, you'll notice an option to Open in Slack. Click this, and Slack will guide you through a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to help you add Zoom to your workspace correctly, and they might include permissions requests or configuration options. After successfully following the prompts, you're going to see the Zoom icon listed under the Apps section in Slack. This indicates that the integration is complete and Zoom is ready to be used. To initiate a Zoom call from within any channel, simply type Zoom in the message box and hit Enter. This command will create a Zoom meeting link directly in the channel, making it accessible for any channel participant. Before you can use this feature for the first time, you might need to authorize the call. This authorization step ensures that your Zoom account is linked with your Slack profile and is a one-time setup. And that's it. You now know how to effortlessly start and join a Zoom call from Slack. This integration saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth, as everything you need is under one digital roof. Happy Zooming!